Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Nisha. If you're new here, my name is Nisha, and for today's video, I'm going to be going over and reviewing the new Colourpop Powerpuff Girls collection. So if you want to see and create a look with this collection and kind of just review it, go over some of the products, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and continue to watch. So I have already prepped my skin. I've already put on my foundation, concealer, did my brows, and also did a little bit of bronzing, just because this collection basically comes with like eye products, lip products, not any lipsticks or anything like that, and then it comes with blushes. So I wanted to go ahead and do everything else so that we could just jump right into it. So first I'll go over the collection itself. I honestly think it's super cute. Growing up, I love Powerpuff Girls. I watched it all the time. It was definitely one of my favorite shows. So I felt like I definitely had to get this collection because for me, it's more like childhood memories. It's kind of like nostalgic in a way. Colourpop has been releasing like so many things, and so I've been kind of like picking and choosing what kind of stuff I would like. Like I like the Hello Kitty collection because it was nostalgic to me, and then the Powerpuff Girl collection as well. There's a few other collections too, but I just found that a lot of it was very similar and it just really wasn't what I was into, or anything that I really wanted to use. But this collection actually has quite a few like cute little things that I'm actually really excited to try because some of them I haven't tried from Colourpop before, so it will be new territory for me, and we'll see if we like it, because you get some like lip products and stuff like that I typically wouldn't normally use. So yeah, it just kind of opens up new doors for me. Let's go over the collection. So first things first, I will go over some of the lip products because I have nothing on my lips, and usually after I prep my face I always have some sort of lip product on to keep it hydrated while I do the rest of my makeup. It's typically the first thing I put on, and then I put on my primers and then go from there. So I actually don't have anything on my lips right now because I wanted to try some of the products. So you get a couple of lip products in here that are more just for hydration, no like lipsticks or anything like that. So you get 2 lip masks. These are super cute. So you get Sugar and Spice, and it's an overnight lip mask, and Everything Nice, which is also an overnight lip mask. I think they're super cute, the packaging and everything too. I've personally never tried Colourpop overnight lip mask, so this will be new for me to try. Let's give one a try. I just want to smell them too. So this is Sugar and Spice. That one smells good. And then this is Everything Nice. Oh, they both smell, I think they smell the same, but maybe a little bit different. But they both look like super cute. It looks like, so Sugar and Spice is just like a plain little like lip mask, and then Everything Nice has like glitter in it. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Let's see. Yeah, so it has a little bit of glitter in it, and then this one doesn't have any glitter in it. It's just a plain old little lip mask there. So I'm gonna try the one with the shimmer, which is Everything Nice, because I'm just curious like how that will show up. Like, is it gonna be like a lot that you like typically wouldn't want it? Like, I find it like kind of weird to have a shimmer in a overnight mask because like I'm just gonna be going to sleep, but let's give it a try. So you can definitely see the glitter and like the shimmer in it, which I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know if I would use this one overnight. It doesn't taste good. Like, when something's like on your lips, like it's hard to like not taste it. And like for overnight lip mask, like the Laneige one that I use, I like put a lot of that on. So I put kind of like the same amount of product that I would put on with the Laneige lip mask, and It's like smoothing, but it's a little bit sticky. It doesn't feel as nice and hydrating as my regular lip mask, but it's not bad actually. Would I personally go out of my way to buy this one? No. These lip masks would not replace my current one, but overall not bad. They're kind of nice. And then next for like lip products, you have the roller gloss. I personally haven't used the roller gloss in like forever. So new territory for me as well. Like it's been like a really long time. And you get 3 roller lip glosses. You get the Blossom, Buttercup, and Bubbles. Blossom is supposed to be watermelon, so let's just like give this one a sniff. Oh, definitely smells like candy, like fake watermelon. Like that typical like, yeah, I don't know how to describe it. Buttercup is green apple. It smells like green apple, but it smells like chemically, I don't know. And then Bubbles is blue raspberry. Oh, that definitely smells like blue raspberry, like, yeah, okay. So I'm gonna go in and I think I'm going to use, I'm actually gonna use the blue raspberry. I'm curious about it. So let's like give this one a try. So it goes on smooth, gives me a little bit nice of like hydrated look. It doesn't really taste like much. I know I'm tasting these things, I'm so weird, but I just, if it's on my lips, I'm gonna taste it. It doesn't really taste like much. The blue raspberry is like the scent is not bad. Yeah, these are pretty cool. I think I would probably just keep one in my bag and kind of just apply it as I go when I'm having like a no makeup day. I actually don't mind it. It's actually not too bad. So, okay. And then next thing, you just get these like super cute little hair clips. They come with 2 each for each Powerpuff Girl. They are just so cute. Like I think they're just so adorable. I will use them. Not only that, but I feel like my daughter might use them maybe in the future or something, or like one of my nieces, just because they're like so cute. I mean, and then you get like a bath bomb type of thing. It's called Drama Bomb, and it's by the Soul line of Soul Body line of Colourpop. They have like sister brands. It smells really good. And I'm not taking any baths yet just because I'm still in the process of healing after C-section, but when I do, I will definitely use this. It smells really good. And then we have some face products, but it was just the blushes. So you get 2 blushes. Personally, I find that the blushes are very similar to other collections that I've got in the past, like the Sailor Moon one, and then even the Hello Kitty one. I find that Colourpop kind of gives you like this bright pink blush, and then it gives you like an orangey shade, which I wish they would just give you like, it like actually switch it up a little bit. I just feel like they're all very similar. So this blush is Saving the World, and it's kind of like a corally type of color. It's super cute. I probably use this one out of the 2 more than the other one, just because I find that this one's a little bit more subtle and a little bit more of my shade that I would go to. And then we have Fighting Crime, which is more like a bright kind of pinky color, which I probably won't use very often, which I find that I keep getting, and I have tons of these from Colourpop now, and I don't really use them. Personally, I do like Colourpop blushes, the powder brushes. I haven't tried any of the other like liquid blushes or the cream blushes, so maybe I'll try those in the future. And then for eye products, of course you get like a palette, but I'll go over that last. You get these cute little color sticks. They came with 3. One's green, blue, and then pink, of course, for Powerpuff Girls, plus their enemies kind of go towards those colors. I personally have not used like a color stick, I don't think. Yeah. But here is this one, which is Mojo Jojo. And then the blue one is Princess Morbucks. This one is really nice as well. They do have a little bit of like a shimmer, so they're not matte. You can see it on camera. They've got like a little bit of like a shimmer glitteriness to them. And then this one is him. And then we have the palette, super cute. I actually do like the colors because they are like very like, you know, Powerpuff Girl-ish. So it's like, that's what you want, that's what you're looking for. So here is the palette. It's super cute. Like, I love the blues and the greens and the pinks, and then you have your neutrals up top. The thing I love about it is that they actually gave you colors that are like, you know, Powerpuff Girls. I just find like sometimes you look at Colourpop palettes and then they don't have like the obvious shades that you'd be looking for. But this palette, they did not disappoint. They did give us, you know, that Powerpuff Girl vibe. You can create a look for each Powerpuff Girl with, like, you know, you got your Bubbles, you got your Buttercup, and you got your Blossom, and then just some neutrals if you want to just throw a neutral look together. But let's get into it. Let's create a little bit of a eye makeup look and apply some blushes, and then we'll kind of, you know, see how it goes and see what we like. Okay, so for this look, I'm gonna do it very bright. I'm gonna try to dip into all of the colors here. I'm gonna try to do like the blue, the pink, and the green. I really want to try those ones out because those ones are kind of the stars of the palette here. And, you know, Powerpuff Girls, you want to have all three colors if you can put them together. So I'm going to try to dip into those ones. And let's see what we can come up with. Okay, so I'm going to start with the blue, which is Rowdy Rough Boys. So I'm going to start and I'm going to put it on my outer lid. And then I'm going to do pink in the middle and then green on the inside. Hopefully this turns out alright. The pigment on this blue is actually really good and I'm actually quite impressed with it. It like really shows up and I'm not like using too much, like I'm not like really packing it on. It is like a little bit more on the powdery side, so I feel like it doesn't blend too badly. But the pigment is really good. I'm impressed. Yeah, so when I take like a blending brush, it doesn't really blend out as nicely, but if I just like pack it and kind of blend it a bit, it's like not too bad. Okay, so far blue isn't too bad. Let's get into the pink, and then I'm gonna go in with this very bright pink shade called the Fashionistas. This one here. Okay, so the pink is also very pigmented. I don't feel like I need to pack too much on. The only thing is like they do blend into each other okay, but like honestly these ones are like really powdery. I don't know if like the formula is just like a little bit different from like a typical eyeshadow palette from Colourpop. I just find that this palette itself is like really powdery. It could just be the pigmented shades. To make sure that they pick up pigment really well. But other than that, like, they're not bad. They're blending in like pretty good. All right, we're gonna take the green shade, which is this one here, and it's called Silico. Okay, so even the green is very pigmented. At first when I applied it, I was like, oh no, it seems like I'm really gonna have to pack this on. But then when I did like my second layer, it was actually like pretty good. And I'm actually pretty impressed with the pigmentation on these bright colors, because sometimes those bright colors just don't cut it and you're constantly blending and packing it on, and I didn't feel like I had to work too much to do that. So pretty good, I will say. So I'm gonna finish my other eye off camera and then I will come back and we will maybe play with the color sticks. Okay, so other eye is done. This side, the pink kind of like did this weird thing and they like didn't blend as nicely together as this side, and I tried really hard to fix it, but it wasn't really working out the way I expected. So we're just gonna, like, I'm literally just doing this look for the video and then I'm gonna wash my face and hang out with my kids. So, you know, I'm not too worried about going out and it being uneven, but it did do some weird stuff. It was the pink that was doing it. So it's kind of weird. I don't really know why I was doing that. But let's finish off the eye look. I did want to put a little bit of a shimmer around the brow and then also in the corner. So I think I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try one of these like very like sparkly glittery shades. I personally don't like a lot of glitter because I feel like it falls out and it gets everywhere, but we're going to try it today. So I'm going to use this one here called Townsville, and I'm just going to put it in the inner corner. And then I'm going to use a little bit of this shade, the Professor Utonium. It's Prof Utonium, but yeah, that's what it says here. I'm going to take this and I'm just going to put a little up here in the brow. So for the color sticks here, I'm probably just going to put them underneath on the waterline here, and I'm just going to do it in order. So let's start with Mojo Jojo. And we're just going to put like a tiny bit. It's pretty cool. They actually like show up pretty well. I don't have to press like super hard or anything either, which is always a bonus. So I like it, I like it. And then next for the middle, we're gonna put the Him color stick. And then last one is Princess Morebuts. Okay, so out of the color sticks, the red is like meh. I'm actually kind of disappointed like the pinks and the reds here are like the pinks. I just don't find that they're super pigmented like I would expect them to be. But the blues and the green is like really impressive. I really, really like it. I'm really liking the color sticks. The green and the blue one are my favorites. This one is like meh, it's okay. And let's go ahead and use a blush. I am going to use the blush. Let me just double check to grab the right one. Yeah, so I'm going to use Saving the World, which is this coral one here. And I'm going to apply a little bit of blush. Let's do this. It's so subtle. I actually really like this one. Okay, there we go. We have a little blush moment. I do like this blush. It's very subtle. It's kind of nice. Like if I was going to do like a light makeup day, I would use this color. I think it's pretty good. Yeah, you do have to build it up a little though, so it's not as powdery as the other ones I find, but still not bad. Okay, and there you have it. There is our little review of the Colourpop Powerpuff Girl collection. All in all, it's like a super cute collection. I love Powerpuff Girls. That's what I watched growing up. The palette is not bad. I'm actually impressed with the pigmentation. The pink shade is kind of the one that I was like a little bit iffy about. I don't really like that way, the way it packs on and blends. It's just a little, it just doesn't do it for me, but the green and the blue are so pigmented and it's great. And same with those color sticks. I really like them. It's the first time ever using color sticks by Colourpop, so I'm actually very impressed. Lip products, the roller balls. I haven't used a roller ball in forever, but I do like them. I applied that Blossom one, and honestly they're hydrating. They feel really, really nice. They're not sticky or anything like that. Like I just feel like I have hydrated lips. The blushes, that really bright like pink one, I probably won't use. I have quite a few like really bright pinks from Colourpop and from other collections, and I honestly don't use them that much. I usually gravitate towards the coral or like the orangey types of shades. And honestly I like the blush. I just had to build it up a little bit, but I think it's just because that coral shade was a little bit too light for my skin tone. So I really have to build it up for it to actually show up. Or I could just use a little bit for a little bit of a blushy look, but you know, I'm kind of digging the whole more blush type of look that's been going on. Obviously the hair clips are super cute. Like that's like inevitable, like we love those. The overnight lip mask, I don't know, like I think maybe if I do the sugar and spice one without the pigmentation or without the shimmery glitter stuff in it, I might like it. The formula is actually not bad itself. I do like the formula. I don't love it though. I wouldn't replace my current lip mask for this one. So the collection overall is pretty much just like most other, you know, Colourpop collections. You get your palettes and you get a few other little goodies, but I do like it, and it's definitely just more like nostalgic to me growing up loving Powerpuff Girls. So if you like this video, then please give it a like, a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye for now.